You know what time it is. It's time for model tips. Number 3. Hi! I'm so glad you guys are back. So, today we're going to be talking about what to do with your body. We already talked about what to do with your eyes. We already talked about what to do with your hands. Now we're going to talk about what to do with your body. So, your body is different from mine, and different from the next person's, and different from the next person's. So, I'm not going to say that I know about your body, but I am going to say I know what you should do with it. You should basically keep moving. It makes sense, and I'll show you why. Let's say you take a picture, and then another picture, and then another picture, and the whole time you were like this. Picture, 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 picture. And now you have a bunch of the same picture, which is a little bit boring and doesn't give you a lot of selection. So, the trick to modeling is to keep moving. Every time you hear the camera or see the camera go click, flash, bleep, bloop, you want to change your position. And I don't mean super extreme, like from here to here to here to here. That's like how they do it in China. No, you don't want to do that. What you want to do is move a little bit each time. So let's say you're doing this pose, and then just move the chin, and then move the chin, move the chin, look the face, down. Kind of like how people do the robot, they move their body one piece at a time. Move your body one piece at a time. So move your eyes. If you look at this, like look over here, then look over here, then look down, then look up. Look up, down. Move your arm. So as to not overcomplicate things, it's okay if you move 2 things at once. It doesn't really matter. The point is that you want a lot of different shots to select from, and if you have the exact same pose, exact same angle, exact same expression in every picture, it's just going to be a whole lot of nothing. My favorite parts of the body are to move my arms, to move my shoulders, to move my face, to move my eyes, and to rotate. You know, like looking over the shoulder a couple times. Oh, and I love to move my hair. If you have a hairstyle that you can move, and that's okay. Some hairstylists want you to keep your hair the way it is, and that's fine. But if you have hair like mine is right now, where it's just like loose and you can play with it, then, you know, do some shots like this from this side, and then just flip your hair over. Your hair is going to look really cool suddenly, and it's going to have different angles and different lighting on it, and maybe you end up with a bad one, so you just flip it again. Just keep moving the hair and assuming that occasionally it's looking really good. That's model tip number 3. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more, because I like telling you guys what to do. Bye!